Hello again. So as I mentioned before in the previous video, we're gonna try to draw this chart. So simply we're gonna duplicate this slide, the one for the baseline, the one we already did, and simply let's go ahead, or sorry, let's not do this one, okay? Let's delete this one and let's delete this one also, okay? So this one is the one that we want to do. I'll duplicate it and bring it here. So this one will always be as a backup for our case. So if we want to draw this chart, let's have this one as a baseline, okay? So the only thing we have to do is go to the occlusal view and Control Shift and G so that we ungroup it, and then we'll ungroup the primary teeth again, and then the permanent teeth, we'll ungroup them also so that each tooth is by itself, nothing is grouped. And we'll go to the facial view and ungroup it, and then we'll ungroup the primary teeth so that each tooth is by itself, and then we'll do the last thing and we will ungroup the permanent teeth so that each tooth is not grouped with any other tooth. Okay, so that's it for the baseline. Let's go ahead and duplicate this slide. So this is the baseline, this is the pre-treatment, ready for the animation. Now let's go ahead and make this slide just like this one as a post-treatment. So first thing we want to do, we want to go ahead, delete all the caries, delete all the root lesions, then we want to delete these, since they are extracted. And the next step, we can do stainless steel for all of these. So let's go ahead, come here, and let's look for this tooth in the selection pane. So the crown, let's go ahead and choose all the drawings of the crown, go to format, I'll select these colors. You can choose whatever color you want. I like to choose a gray color for both the shape fill and the shape outline. And then what I like to do in the shape fill, I like to go to gradient and choose the last one on the right to give it a metallic look. So I'll go ahead and do this for all the teeth that are stainless steel crowned. Sorry, I'll go here to the selection pane and look for the tooth that I'm modifying. It should be right here. So I'll click on all these, for all the drawings of the crown. Go ahead and color them. Go to gradient and like that. So I'll go ahead and do it for all the teeth, including the occlusal surfaces, and we'll continue after this. Okay, so now we have all the teeth with the stainless steel crowns, and then we'll go back here. What do we have to do? Also, we have to add the pulpotomies. So the pulpotomy is basically, if I zoom in, it's just a free form of the shape of a pulp chamber with a little bit of extension into the root canals with the IRM, okay, or whatever sealing material you're using. Okay, so basically I'll go here and I'll show you. I'll draw it myself. So I'll just do like this, like this. And then I'll color it as this. Maybe I'll raise it a little bit. Yeah, I like it like this. I'll click Control C, Control V. I have a copy here. Let's fill it with another color so that we can see it at least. And then I'll rotate it, flip horizontal. Then I'll take it to this side because I don't want to draw it again. I just want to use the same one. Then I'll zoom in into it. Go ahead, position it wherever it's fitting, yes, and I'll make it white again. And that's it for the pulpotomies. And then I'll go ahead and draw the space maintainer. Very easy. I'll go ahead, select this shape and like this. Okay, Control C, Control V, take it over here. Make sure it's aligned with the other one on the 3-6. Yes, right now we can see the red lines indicating they are actually aligned. And then I'll go ahead and choose both of them. Well, not yet. What I want to do, now that I did the bands, I want to do the wire. So I'll go ahead and draw the wire. I'll make it thinner than the bands. Okay. We have both of them. Now the wire is coming in the facial aspect. What we want to do, we want the wire to be behind the teeth. So I'll go to Format, and then I'll send it to the back. And that's it. Now I want to change the color of the bands and the wire. Go ahead. And no, sorry, this one. And I'll go ahead and choose this color. And this color again. I'll even make it with a gradient, any gradient. And yes, that's it for drawing this. Except, yeah, I have to do the restorations. So I'll go ahead and just copy it from here. To know how to draw them, you can simply just go and see the video on restorations and carries. I'll come back here, Control V, and voila, everything is ready. Let me show you how we can morph them. I'll simply click on this one, the first, the baseline, and the post treatment. On both of them, go to transitions and morph. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you the presentation. So this is the baseline, and once I click with the mouse, one click, this is the post treatment. So very simple, very easy to do the animation thanks to the morphed transition, which is new to PowerPoint. That's it for this series. Sometimes if you have sometimes you might have difficulties, you can always ask or try yourself and just have some fun with the project. Hopefully you will be able to enjoy it and do really productive things with it. Thank you for your time and patience. All the best and good luck with your presentations.